In the bigger picture, Bitcoin is still looking pretty dangerous. We are still getting a lot of momentum towards the downside, but do not get fooled. Because in the short term, we are getting some very important signals that we want to be having a look in towards. So guys, without further ado, can we break a new record and push the likes up above the 50 likes? So in the short term, we are creating this descending triangle. We are also creating a falling wedge. And on the 1 hourly time frame, we are creating a bullish divergence. So these patterns are not really giving us a clear indication, because this descending triangle is a typical bearish bias pattern. This falling wedge pattern is a typical reversal pattern. And because we are right now trading towards the downside, well, it is more likely to break towards the upside. And also this bullish divergence is right now indicating that yes, we are also going to be seeing some kind of a bounce. So we are seeing mixed signals right now. And this is the reason why I want to be having a look in towards horizontal ranges rather than these patterns that we are actually having a look in towards. All right, because a break below this range right here would also mean a breakdown below this descending triangle and also a break below this falling wedge formation. And also on the other side, if we are going to be breaking back above this range right here towards the upside, well, we are breaking back above this range right here. We are seeing this bullish divergence playing out towards the upside. We are seeing a breakout towards the upside of this falling wedge formation and also of this descending triangle. So yeah, I'd rather have a look in towards this consolidation range than all of these short-term patterns that we are creating right now and are on the very low time frame, so they are not very reliable. Okay then, so having a look into our short-term targets, well, if we are going to be seeing a breakdown, well, I'm going to be expecting we are going to be reaching these levels down below right here at this support level. We have been talking about this daily support level for a very long time already on this channel, and if we are going to be losing that level, well, the 25k target will be next, because no volume has been traded in between these ranges. It is a low volume zone. And also later in this video, I will be talking about exactly why I think the 25k target will be the lowest point we will be seeing right here. But first of all, having a look into the short term, yeah, if we are going to be breaking below this range, well, then I'm going to be having a look in towards this next support target, which is going to be at about the 26.5k towards the 26.7k. But then also having a look in towards the potential to be breaking towards the upside, then yeah, we can be having a look in towards this next resistance level, which will be at about the 28.9k towards the 28.7k. All right, and breaking above this range right here would mean that we are entering this previous range that we have been entering right here. And that would mean that we will likely see consolidation in between these support and resistances. And right now we are still in this consolidation range right here at the lower side. So it will be more likely that we will actually be seeing consolidation in between these ranges right here. Okay, so that's it for the very short term. But for the longer term, well, it is just very likely that we will actually be seeing still lower prices getting reached. Because having a look into this rejection, of course, we are still getting this rejection and are still getting momentum towards the downside. We are also still getting our downwards breakout of this rising wedge formation, and the breakout target would be all the way down towards the 24k target. And then also we are still getting this weekly rejection as well from of the most important support and resistance level for Bitcoin right now, or in the previous bull market right here, but also in the bear market recovery. Also breaking below this support level right here, and it is right now acting as resistance. Having a look into our 4 hourly time frame, we are still getting rejections from this level. And then also our momentum is still turning towards the downside. Every single indicator is still cooling off towards the downside, because we have been seeing a lot of bearish divergences being happening in the Bitcoin charts. And that is the reason why we need to be seeing some short-term cool off right here. And also on the daily time frame, still we are cooling off. So yeah, in the end of the day, it will just be very likely that we will actually be breaking this support level where we are currently trading on. And if we have a look in towards our VPVR indicator, well, this range right here is a low volume traded range. So what this means is whenever we will be breaking below this support level right here, we will be seeing the 25k target getting reached in no time. And from of the 25k target, I will be flipping extremely bullish, because well, we are still in this parabolic trend towards the upside, and I do not expect this parabolic trend to stop anytime soon. And then having a look in towards the 25k level, well, it is confluencing with all of these indicators. As you can be having a look from of the 25.8k level towards all the way down towards the 24.1k level, we are getting extremely much support. And having a look into the past, well, all of these indicators have all the time indicated a very strong uptrend or a very strong downtrend. So we do not want to be ignoring all of these indicators, and we are right now in an uptrend. So whenever we can be retesting all of these indicators right here, I will definitely be expecting a big bounce to be happening for Bitcoin. Okay, so if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.